Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Senthilkumar, Associate Professor in the Department of Agricultural Engineering, SNS College of Technology. I welcome you all for this lecture series for the month of February 2024, and this is a video 3 in the topic of scope of mechanization of in India. And to say about the priority areas for Indian agricultural mechanization, so in the previous videos we have seen about what is my mechanization and what are all the benefits as well as the limitations in implementation of farm mechanization throughout our country. And in this video, let us see about the priority areas for Indian agricultural mechanization. So which are the areas is to be concentrated for implementation of farm mechanization. So intensification of R&D, that is research and development, to introduce energy efficient machines for relatively unmechanized crops such as cotton, sugarcane, oil seeds, pulses, vegetables and fruits is to be taken care. Use reverse engineering and enforce a close collaboration with farm machinery manufacturers. That means we should have a good collaboration with the manufacturers so that the requirement of the farmer will be easily taken care by the machine manufacturers. Assist Indian manufacturers in seeking collaboration with well-known foreign firms whether design engineering technologies are not available. Intensify research in the areas of tractor design engineering due to the extensive use in Indian farming. India is the largest tractor manufacturer in the world right now. Tractor Manufacturing Association needs to be involved in the task. Farm machinery management research to find out use patterns, animal usage, breakdown frequencies, repair and maintenance cost, and all reliability. So research on safety, comfort, exhaust emissions and health standards. The use of mechanical power sources and machines need to be expected. Emphasis to be laid on conservation farming and energy saving efficiency, energy efficient tools and machines. An area of utmost importance from environmental point of view in proper utilization of about 540 million tons of crop residues that is available in our country. Punjab alone has 10 million tons paddy straw which is mostly burnt. It is not used for any useful applications, but it is burnt after its harvesting. So burning needs to be banned. Appropriate machines for incorporation of residues into soil, for mulching, for collection, for handling and transportation, for briquetting, gasification, power generation and or allied usage is a priority areas in the field of mechanization is to be taken care. Research on alternate engine tractor fuel including biodiesel, ethanol, producer gas needs to be intensified. Right now we are using diesel as a fuel for the tractors which is available in our country. So greater emphasis to be laid on the design manufacture of high capacity and precision machines for multi-farm use for corporate as well as contract farming as well as for custom hiring throughout agribusiness centers being promoted by Government of India for the benefit of the rural youth. Equipment for post-harvest transport, bulk handling, clean grading, drying, milling, packagings, mill and storage are urgently required. These could be imported whenever none exist with our country. Next revolution in agriculture must be in the areas of efficient food processing and agro industries to transform the rural areas and utilize these supplies. Mechanization packages will be crucial to ensure the success of contract as well as corporate farming. Mandi mechanization with a view to introduce bulk handling of grains is an urgent need. So these are the areas that we have to take into consideration. Mechanization of hill agriculture, that is 20% of total cultivable area is our hill agriculture. Horticulture and floriculture, then the forage productions and handling equipment, forestry, mechanization and effective transport equipments are some important areas to be taken care. Women-friendly tools and gadgets to be evolved by modifying the existing one and designing the new tools to reduce drudgery to women workers. Mechanization of experimental plots is an important area required urgent attention. A mission mode project made by the NATP has recently been sanctioned in this area. Nearly 1/3 of the cultivable area is rain-fed, comparing all over the country. Farm powers available in this area is barely 0.3 kilowatt per hectare. Hence, mechanization of these areas should be undertaken on the priority basis. Large horsepower tractions and suitable equipment for conservation of soil moisture, seedbed preparation, seeding, planting as well as harvesting are required. These benefits of farm mechanization have so far remained confined to mainly wheat-based cropping systems. This needs to be expanded to all cropping systems, including horticulture. The present credit policy based on the land mortgage is not favorable to small farmers. That means he is ready to go for more yield, but if he is having less land holding in his hand, then he can't go for getting into more amount of loan. To mechanical prime movers, it excludes them from the benefits of farm mechanization and supplementing their incomes to hiring out their spare operational capacity. Instead of large mortgage, viability and hypothecation of the machinery may be better criteria. There are being a positive relationship between the power availability and agricultural productivity. Power constraints should be removed and an annual growth rate of 4% over 1996 base in power supply to raise it from 1 kilowatt per hectare to 2 kilowatt per hectare by 2020 will be adequate to maintain a growth rate of 3% or more in the agricultural production. This is based on the power production relation studies in India and as well as in other countries. The additional power will be supplied by tractors, power tillers, self-propelled machines, engines as well as electric motors that is used in the farm. For precision farming, precision equipments for planting and plant protections are required. Increasing emphasis on integrated pest management or organic farming would require use of effective cultivation machinery for weeding as well as hoeing. Research in the areas would be necessary to evolve optical planting, geometry and practices. Under the WTO regime with the liberalization of markets, foreign countries might take advantage of dumping their cotton because horticultural machinery, sprayers, unless required equipment are developed indigenously and have cost and quality competitiveness. Joint projects by R&D organizations, Indian farmers will be more desirable. And these are the suggestions. There are certain suggestions for further improvement. No farm machinery R&D, that is research and development project, should be initiated without conducting a market survey to assess the client needs and perceptions. Greater industry institution collaboration by undertaking joint research projects and the use of reverse engineering would be helpful for steady development and commercialization of new equipments. Computer-aided design must be used for optimum design, cost reduction and reliability. All R&D organizations must have a CAD facility and latest design packages. How to train the R&D engineers to develop the proficiency in computer-aided design. R&D engineers must ensure compatibility to their design with BIS as well as the ISO standards, norms as well as the practices. Then standardization of critical components to ensure quality, durability and interchangeability is essential. Then the upgradation of manufacturing technology to upgrade quality and reduction of cost is very much needed. And these are the things that we want to see taken care, and these are the areas in which it is to be more concentrated in our country. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you one and all.